friends, welcome back to my channel Learn and Fun with Aastha. So friends, in today's video we are going to make calligraphy quotes that you can paste on your desk, study table, wherever. Means these will be motivational. So these you can make with only three things: colors, mobile phone and sheet. So let us start. The things you need, I have tell, and first now let me show you. I have also make, so you can see here. It is not showing properly, but I will be showing you. I will be giving a photo of it. So let us start. Friends, you can see now these I have pasted on my study table, and this is so I'm so happy that I have made this. You don't need to work hard also so much. Okay, so let us start. Friends, you need your mobile phone, and then you have to you need the mobile phone, you need paper. I'm not taking A4 size sheet, I'm taking this paper. This is of notepad, okay. These notepads, okay, like that. So these I'm taking, and this is a perfect size, and with these sheets only I will make those one. Then you need pencil, sketch pens, or which color you want. I suggest you sketch pens only. So you need those, and then you also need your mobile phone. Then you have to you can go search on Google also, or on any searching website. On Google you have to go. Calligraphy quotes. So that you have to search, okay. So then these will come. You can see, then these type of quotes will come. You have to take easy one, like these. That one is that is from this only. So, and you can take. So let me choose and then show you. So I have choose this one, so now I'm saving this. So after that I have saved it, and now after saving you have to do that. You have to just trace this on the sheet. You can see, I can see it clearly from on the sheet, okay. Okay, you can see. Now we have to trace it. Okay, so I am tracing. Let me trace it and then show you. Friends, I am tracing this. Friends, you can see that I have traced this, okay. I have traced it, and this is simple. And then you can see that this is so much simple. And then I have to only do these outlinings, that these are bold, and I have only done simple, okay. So I have to do that, and then after that let us see the results, and then I will be doing it with the marker, and then I will show you. friends, this is the final result, and I have done my best to do this, and you can see this is looking pretty simply only. Okay, so I like this only. I don't know, it's looking so simple, and it's looking beautiful only. So I like the results, and I just like how this way of doing calligraphy and write quotes. Okay, so you can also try it out, and this is a super easy way to do this, and it doesn't take any hard work also, so you can try it out. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.